In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add voiceover to your videos on CapCut. Adding voiceover to videos on CapCut is crucial for enhancing communication and engagement. It allows creators to convey complex information clearly and personally, making content more relatable and authentic. To import a video from your files, simply tap right here on Import and then choose a video will get added just like mine right here. To add your voiceover, you will have to tap on this microphone icon right here. Make sure your microphone is already connected to your PC. To avoid or reduce echo, simply mark on this option. To mute the sound in video you already added, just mark right here. And to automatically remove echoes, popping sounds, mouth clicks and other noises to enhance any voice-to-studio quality, make sure to mark this option. Tap right here to start recording yourself. That's how easy it is to add voiceover to your videos on CapCut. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.